I arrived into Tekapo last night, and this morning, although it is very late morning, I am planning on heading up to the Mt John Observatory via the Mt John Walkway. My plan is to head up via the South Summit track and then come back via the observatory circuit return. Should take me in the region of about 3 hours all up, but I will be stopping in things along the way, so maybe about 4 hours. Nice way to start the day here in Tekapo. The weather has been absolutely awful for the last 24 hours or so. In fact, yesterday we had substantial 120 km/h gale winds, which made doing anything yesterday afternoon pretty much impossible. Today, still a little bit of wind around, as I'm sure you can probably hear, but it seems to have settled down a little bit. I'm sure the situation will be slightly different out on the tops there, but we'll just see how this goes. Kind of funny, I'm just at this little junction in the track. It's not really a junction, but the main track goes down this way, but there's this little makeshift track that goes up this way, and this is the kind of track that you'd have to take if you were hiking Te Araroa, and this is the kind of track that you'd have to take if you were hiking just any other normal long distance trail in the world. But just for fun, I think I'm going to go up this way. Yep, that was pretty steep. Where does it go? Off down there. I was going to film me coming up it, but I nearly fell all the way back down the slope. So anyway, adventure done. Actually hear myself think now that we're in the shadow or on the lee side of Mt John. So this is Mt John, that's the observatory just up there behind me, and just over my right hand shoulder here is the beautiful Lake Tekapo. And the reason why it is that colour is because this is all glacier melt water, and so it has a lot of sediment in it, which makes it a lot more opaque, which means that it reflects the sky in a lot brighter blue than you would normally see. Okay, so I've just turned around at the far end of the track, so I'm now heading back into Tekapo Township. The wind on this side of the hill is a lot better. Obviously sheltered this side of the hill as well, but just stunning, absolutely stunning. You can never get over the colour of this lake. It's just beautiful beyond words. Alright, so just a little over an hour and a half from when I started here, I have returned to the finish, and that is basically it from the Mt John Observatory circuit hike. Such a great little circuit, little hike to do whilst you are based here in Lake Tekapo. If I hadn't been stopping all the time, it probably would have taken me bang on the 3-hour estimate to complete the full circuit. Otherwise guys, that is it from me here at the Mt John Observatory circuit, and until I see you next time, take care and stay safe out there.